Hey Mocha Friends, welcome back to my channel, and for all my new subscribers tuning in, make sure you're clicking that subscribe button. So for today's video, guys, is in collaboration with Nadula's hair. I'll be reviewing their V-part unit. It's a Brazilian 4C kinky curly hair, and here's the V-part line of the wig, and you can also see along the inside this V-part unit has several clips for security once you clip that hair on, and there are 2 clips on each side at the top and 1 in the back. There are combs along the front hairline and a comb in the back, and this adjustable strap. This is my first wig seeing an adjustable strap, so I thought that was pretty cool. So this is the unit before I add any products, before I wash this hair. I did want to show you how it looks straight out of the package. As you can see, these curls are pretty tight. This is, again, the 4C kinky curly unit. So this is the hair now after fully washing out the hair. And you can see how the curls are a little bit more looser. So because I do not have a mannequin head, we're going to do this a different way. But I don't want to place this on my head yet. I want this to basically air dry since I washed it. So I'm going to style it with it on my head like this for now. Don't judge. I know you're probably like, you could just do that without that one there. But I kind of want it to be... place it a little bit. So since I am leaving no hair out, there's going to be no leave out, I am going to style my hair a little bit like this. Since I don't have a mannequin head to style this hair on, I have to do it like this, y'all. So don't judge because I want this hair to basically air dry overnight, and I'm going to apply this hair on the next day. We'll clip it on the next day. So bootleg way, you all. The products that I'll be using to style this hair is from the Camille Rose line, the mousse and the curling cream. I love these 2 products together. It just gives an enhancing look. It just defines the curls so well on my hair. So I just wanted to apply this on this unit as well. So now that I'm done styling this hair, as you can see, I'm starting to unclip everything. I'm just going to take this off for now. As I mentioned, I'm just going to let this hair air dry overnight. I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of this unit and how defined these curls are. I mean, styling this hair made me feel like I was styling my own. That's how realistic this hair feels. Okay guys, so I've already prepped my hair off camera. So as you can see, I have no leave out. So I will be trying the viral crochet braid method that I've seen from Ms.Naturally Mary. This is my first time trying this method out. As you can see, I have 2 flat twists in the front. So we about to get this started and see how it go, y'all. I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks the next day. As I mentioned in earlier clips that I wanted the hair to air dry. So this is the hair, how it looks after it was styled with that mousse and curling cream and then left to air dry for the next day. And it looks really good. So the clips are being clipped onto that second flat twist, and that first flat twist where you see all that opening at, that space is where we're going to start crocheting that hair in. I will repeat this throughout the video. This will be my first time trying out this crochet method with no leave out, so don't judge in the comments. But I got the gist of it. So you just loop your crochet hook through that flat twist or braid that you have up there, and then attach that piece of hair from that V-part wig, and then loop it through, and then fold it over your braid, so it will give that illusion that you have a realistic wig on where it just coming out your own head like it's your own hair. Look at my hair. If you're a beginner at doing this little crochet method, it looks easy when Ms.Naturally Mary was doing it, but I'm over here struggling, y'all. I'm over here struggling. Hold on. Let's try this again. Okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair after doing the viral crochet braid method. And again guys, this is my first time trying this method out, so don't judge. But let's take a look. So this is the attempt that I did, and even though I see a little flaws there, but again, that was my first time trying it out. But I see why a lot of girls try out this method, because one, you don't have to have any of your leave out. You don't have to sew anything in, you don't have to glue anything in. All you're doing is just crocheting over that twist or braid that you have up top, and boom, there you go. It's supposed to be an easy method where you're not doing too much with your hair and just give us somewhat of a realistic scalp. I know sometimes I hear some girls say, hey, my weave out is not matching with this wig and it's not really blending. So this will give a realistic scalp for you if you do want to try out this method. So for me, I'm so used to doing the blending twisted method, and what that is, where I have my leave out and then twisted whatever extensions or wigs that I have. That's my realistic blending method for me. But this was also cool too. I think once I get the gist of this viral crochet braid method, I think I have it down pat. But right now, my first attempt, and boom, there you go. But I still think it came out nice, which I think, you know, it's a little something, something. But again, guys, this hair is Nadula's hair. I will leave their link down below in my description box. This is the V-Part 4C Kinky Curly hair, and it is in 24 inches. I really do love this hair, guys. This hair is super soft. The only shedding that I did see is when I washed the hair, but of course that's normal. And the curls are so defined. Like, it looks really good. The only reason why the hair is a little bit frizzy, because as you've seen, I was kind of struggling trying to maneuver this hair over and crochet it out. So yeah, it's a little bit frizzy because of that. But other than that, this hair is giving. And I don't have to worry about my leave out being frizzy or anything like that. So this is perfect for the summertime, guys, because you don't have to have no frizzy hair out. You can just pop on and go. There you go. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel for more.